Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
Start by verifying game files through Steam. You need to trigger the integrity check to find corrupted or missing files. You open Library, pick the game, then Local Files to run Verify Integrity of Game Files. This forces Steam to compare local files to the server manifest and queue replacements. While it runs, watch the progress and any error messages. They tell you whether Steam can repair automatically or if you must take deeper steps. Once Verify identifies issues, act. Remove the specific corrupted files, Steam flagged, or move the entire game folder to a backup location. Then use Settings Download Steam Library, folders right-click Folder Repair Library Files, so Steam rebuilds metadata and requires missing data. If that doesn't clear errors, initiate a reinstall. Choosing the same folder keeps some downloaded content and speeds recovery. Finish by clearing Steam's download cache and restarting the client to force a fresh connection to servers. This often resolves lingering download mismatches. Also run a disk check, chkdsk on Windows, disk utility on Mac OS, and confirm you have adequate free space. File corruption can stem from drive issues. If problems persist, run Steam as administrator to avoid permission blocks and send the Steam client logs to support. They need the logs to diagnose complex integrity failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.